to this new video. So we're going to talk all about on how evaluate limit as x approaches to c of f of x raised to g of x. So we have four steps in evaluating limit as x approaches to c f of x raised to g of x. So first one, we have to set are the steps. So first step, we have to let y equals to x raised to x. So this is the g of x, and then this is the f of x. Then step 2, we're going to take logarithm to ln y equals to x ln x. So this is the g of x, and then ln, then our f of x. Then step 3 is we're going to write the limit expression. So limit as x approaches to 0 from right side. So we have ln y equals to limit as x approaches to 0 from right side of x times ln x equals to 0. So that is 0. Then step 4, we have limit as x approaches to 0 from the right side. So ln y is equals to 0. Our y here, ln y equals 0. Then our since 0 here, so we're going to type right here at here. Then we're now we already know the value. So limit as x approaches to 0 from right side, y equals to a raised to 0. So always remember that e raised to 0 equals to 1, or any variable that is raised to 0, that would be always equal to 1. So that's it. So the limit as x approaches to infinity, as approaches to 0 from right side, then g of x. So we just we are going to use these steps for us to come up the right answer. So the limit as x approaches to 0 from right side of x raised to x is equals to 1. So example number 2, we're going to evaluate this limit as x approaches to 0 from right side. So 1 over plus x raised to 1 over x. So the same process, we're going to follow the steps. So first, let the 1 over x. So this is the g of x, and this is the f of x. Then we have take logarithm. So we have 1 over x times ln 1 plus x. Then after that, we going to limit as x approaches to 0 on right side of 1 of x. Then cross limit as x approaches to 0 right side. So 1 x. Then we have ln, or simply 1 plus x. 1 over 1 plus x up to here. Then we have a limit of approaches to 0, so that is does not exist, plus cancel, does not exist. Then here, so 1 over 1, evaluate that, 1 plus, so our x 0, so we have 1. Then take this limit function, so the final answer is limit as x approaches to 0 from right side is equals to 1. So the limit is equals to 1. Then a raised to 1, so that would be equal to e. So that's how we're going to answer if we encounter the if we have to evaluate limit as x approaches to c of f of x raised to g of x. So that's all, everyone. Thank you for listening.